In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mute email threads Gmail. If you've ever been stuck in a busy reply-all conversation or a long back and forth that you don't need to follow in real time, muting the thread is a simple way to keep your inbox clean without losing access to the conversation. Muting doesn't delete anything. It just keeps future replies out of your inbox and notifications while the thread remains available when you want to review it. Here's how to do it on a computer using Gmail in your web browser. First, open Gmail and locate the conversation you want to quiet. On the left of that conversation, click the small checkbox to select it. Once it's selected, look at the toolbar running across the top of the page. Click the three dots labeled More. Then choose Mute from the menu. That's it. The thread is immediately archived, and from now on, any new replies in that conversation will skip your inbox and go straight to all mail. If you're already viewing the conversation, you can mute it from inside the email as well. Open the message, click the three dots menu in the top right area of the message window, and choose Mute there. The result is the same. The conversation moves out of your inbox, and future messages in that thread won't trigger new inbox entries. So what happens behind the scenes? When you mute, Gmail automatically archives the conversation and routes future replies to all mail instead of your inbox. This helps reduce noise while keeping the thread searchable and accessible. If you want to check in later, open all mail from the left sidebar and scroll or search for the subject line to pick up where things left off. You'll see the full history, including anything that arrived after you muted it. One important note: Gmail is smart about attention-worthy messages. If a brand new message in that same thread is addressed directly to you, either in the To or CC fields, it may reappear in your inbox. That way, you won't miss something that specifically needs your eyes, even if the broader conversation stays muted. Use mute when you need fewer interruptions from lengthy threads, but still want everything preserved. It's a fast, reversible way to stay focused without losing context. Give it a try the next time a conversation heats up and enjoy a tidier inbox while keeping all your information within reach.